Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to find out whether the Windows computer is having legacy BIOS or UEFI boot system. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So most of the modern computers are shipped with UEFI boot system, but if you're having an older computer or older laptops, then definitely you will find a legacy BIOS boot up system. So today we'll find out how we can find the boot up system that our Windows computer are using. So for this, the first process I want to show you, so you can head over to the start menu. Just click on the start menu and you can search for one app name as system information. As you can see, system informations, but if you're using a Windows 7 or older computers, then you may not find directly system informations apps directly. So for this, you can do one thing. You can just press Win plus R and you can type here one command, msinfo32. You can use this command if you're using a Windows 7 or older versions, and you can just click OK. You can move to the system informations directly. But if you're using a Windows 10, then directly you can search here in the start menu, like I've told you earlier, system informations, and once you click there, you can just open the same applications. So here, what you need to see here is under this system informations, you can directly view about the BIOS mode. As you can see here, it's UEFI. As my Windows computer is a modern Windows computer, so it's using a UEFI boot system. But if you see here legacy written, then it's using the legacy BIOS mode. If you see here legacy written, but in my case it's written as UEFI, as my computer is a new one. So if you're having an older computer, then I'm sure that you will be able to see your legacy written. So in this way, you can find out what boot system your Windows computer are using or having. So this is the first process by using the system information. So we'll move to the second process. So in the second process, what you need to do is, once again, you need to hit Win plus R and just type cmd to open the command prompt. So what we'll do, just we'll try to open again one command prompt as run as administrator. Just click yes. So we'll use as the command prompt with run as administrator. So here what you need to do is you need to type one command, pcd edit. You need to type this command. Once you type this command, hit enter on your computer keyboard. So here what you need to see is here, you can see here the path, you can see here the last one .efi. So if it's written .efi, then your computer is using a UEFI boot system. But if you see here .exe, then it's using the legacy boot up system. So in this way, you can find out whether the Windows computer is using the legacy BIOS or UEFI boot system. So these two processes you can choose, and there's one more process that you can choose. Just you head over to the start menu again, just right click if you're using a Windows 10 computer, and you can see here disk management. But if you're using a Windows 7, then what you need to do, just click on the start menu and search for computer management. You need to search for these applications if you are using a Windows 7 or older versions. But if you're using a Windows 10, then directly right click on the start menu and directly head over to the disk management. So once the disk management shows up, so let me maximize. So you can see here you can see here healthy UEFI system partition. That means my computer is using a UEFI boot system. But if you see here system breeze up instead of UEFI system, then it's using a legacy boot up system. So these are the three ways by which you can find out whether the Windows computer is having legacy BIOS or UEFI boot system. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then try it out today. And if you find any difficulty in understanding this video tutorial, feel free to leave your comments below. I'll try my best to help and guide you with your problems. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.